how things can change in just a matter of days, from a suspenseful nail-biting election to your own life. Today I just want to go over a little bit about my journey and what I've been through and what's going on with me, so maybe it can help you. Hey, it's Danny, and in today's video, I'm just gonna go in a lot more detail about my journey, where I came from, how I've gotten into the situation, and what I've been doing to overcome the situation. So I wanna go way back. I'm an old man, I'm 36 years old, and whenever I became of age, I had one dream, and I went after this dream. I had a dream to be a professional wrestler, and I know you're probably thinking, you a professional wrestler? What do you weigh, 170 pounds, 165 pounds? I think I weigh about 165 pounds right now. But yes, believe me, I was a professional wrestler.
Here, boom! Just touch the ring post if you could. Oh, and now, big spine buster. Again. Forehead. I'd say all the more heavy metal. Oh, look at that! Look at that face! Look at the boss man.
Into the ladder. Wait a second. Aaron Draven on the top. Oh! Top. Oh no! Oh! Everything left. Take a look at the tenacity. The will to win from Mickey Tyler. Flex Fury's got Jerky. He's got him. And they retain the RC.
And I know what you're thinking, professional wrestling. What does professional wrestling have to do with anything dental, anything implant related? Well, my story kind of starts there. And everybody thinks, yes, oh, wrestling's fake. You don't even really hit each other. I'm here to tell you it's the hurting business, and I lived it for a decade. And yeah, it's scripted, but every time I got punched in the face. And my story started there, and I think it was in 2006 or 2007. I think it was 2007. I got one of my back molars knocked out, not the very back one, I think the one right before the back, and just popped it out, root and everything came out. So I had to go get a bridge put in. This led to dental problem after dental problem for me. And it seemed like I was in the dentist every month or 2 months, and it just kept getting worse and worse and worse. I'd get another tooth knocked out, I'd have to go get another bridge. Then I started having pain in my teeth. I have to go get root canals. Root canals are the worst thing that you can do to your teeth. They're drilling out the whole center of your teeth to get to this nerve, and then filling it back in. So the natural part of your tooth inside in the middle is gone. This weakens your teeth as time goes on, and a lot of people's dental problems comes from root canals. And I'll say that till the day I die because I went through it. The root canals are no. If you can avoid that, please avoid it, because the problems that you're going to have later on are not worth the little bit of pain that it's going to cure for the moment. And half the time it doesn't even help the pain. You go have this done and you spend all this money on a root canal, and then it's, done. You spent money and then you're still in pain. So it really doesn't make any sense for me to go down that road. And then on top of all that, the things that I was eating, smoking all the time. I was drinking soda like soda was water, because I wasn't educated on the effects of that as a child. When I grew up, my mother always had Pepsi in the house. I'm so old that I remember the Pepsi in those clear glass bottles with the lids on top. You had to get the little thing to open the lid that you pushed on and latched onto the tab and then pulled it up. That's how long ago that I remember having soda in the house. And you got to think what that does to your teeth if you're drinking that all the time. What is it doing to the inside of your body? Was always something that I just wasn't educated on, and I just kept doing until I got into my mid-adulthood. And of course I've cut that out now once I was educated and learned the negative effects that was having on me. So then it just kept having problem after problem. Everything the work I was having done was starting to fail, and I would go back and have the same procedures done. The bridges would pop out. I have to go in and have it fixed and put back in, and I probably spent probably $50,000 from age 21 till I was about 31 years old. I'm 36 years old now, and it's really gotten to me. My parents both ended up having to have dentures. My dad hated it. I've talked about this before. He would not wear them, and he just made fun of it the whole time because he hated it. He just went around without teeth whenever he was at home, and he ate like that all the time, and there were certain things that he couldn't eat. And I remember whenever he got his dentures, his weight started to go down. And I've been going through the same thing since I've not been able to eat properly. My weight has went down completely. I'm supposed to be about 175, 180 pounds. I weigh about 160 right now. So that's one thing I can't wait. I can't wait to have this procedure done, have my permanents put in, and then I'm gonna eat. I'm probably gonna be 200 pounds, but I would rather be 200 pounds and be in better health than to be not eating. I eat maybe once or twice a day, just what I have to get by on because the pain's so bad. So I'm nearing the end of my journey, and the whole point of me making this video is just to kind of go through everything that I've been through and to let you know that there's options. My whole goal in all this is to teach people that this is an option. It's a real option. So many people say right out of the gate that they cannot afford this. This is never going to be an option. They don't even analyze it in their head. They don't even try to come up with a game plan to get to the end of this road. This is your health. You have one life, and you're going to sacrifice being healthy, being happy, being confident in yourself over money. Anybody can get money. I will preach and I will vouch and I will advocate for this dental implant industry until the day I die. If you don't need this procedure done right now, and you know you're going to need it a few years down the road, you're actually in a lot better position than everybody else, because as time goes on, this procedure will get cheaper. They say there's going to be a huge spike in this dental implant industry by the year 2026. So what does that mean for you? That means if you don't need this procedure done right now, like I said, you're in the best spot, because there's going to be more doctors performing this procedure. There's going to be more clinics. There's going to be more everything, and they're all going to have to compete, so the price is going to have to come down. So definitely you're in a better spot if you're in that situation. So thanks for watching me today, guys. I know I go on a little bit of a rant, but I'm passionate about this, and I will advocate for this until the day that I die. So if you do have any questions for me, or feel free to email me. I'll put the link down in the description. It's info@dentalimplantcouncil.com. And I can help you out with money, I can help you find a doctor, or I can try to help you out with any other questions or any other situation that you have. And if I don't have the answer, I have a slew of friends that I can go to and I can find the answer for you. So thanks for watching today, guys. I know I said I was going to do a video this time about another side hustle. I'm going to do that later this week. Something just came over me and told me to make this video today. So like I said, if you have any other questions, info@dentalimplantcouncil.com, and we'll see you then.